how to fix Roblox Error Code 529. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you will be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So first, we are here on Roblox and I am going to show you how to fix if you are encountering 529 error. So first, go to this website called status.roblox.com. So in here, it will show you a list of the servers and their status, if that server is down or not. So maybe that server is down, then you cannot go into that server. And the other method is go to your settings and go to your network settings, and then here check if your network status is connected. So this one is connected, and then go to troubleshoot here, select all cables, adapters, and if there are no problems, just cancel the troubleshooting process. So that's it. And if it is not working, you can also change your device or change into another game. So I hope this helps and see you on the next video.